Hey folks, welcome back to the Offgrid workshop. My name is Nigel, and in this video I'm going to be installing the roller kit onto my ARB Base Rack. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Essentially you have the little pin here which goes into these things, and that's your actual roller, and then these obviously go into the end of the actual roller itself. So fairly straightforward, simple sort of ARB style of doing things with these dovetail connectors. So we're going to stick these through and just kind of finger tighten them, not super tight, so we still have enough give to be able to actually put the roller in. Interesting that they have silver on these connectors, whereas previously it's all been black. So we're going to put these on here, put a washer. These washers feel much bigger than they should be for these tiny little bolts. This is a very straightforward install, much simpler than any of the other ARB stuff actually. And okay, and then we're going to put this into the end here and set it aside. Okay, I think the easiest is going to be to try and tighten one of these enough that it holds. So if that's not too tight, oh no, that's fine. Okay, trying to get it in the middle there. There's quite a lot of give on the pins that go into the roller actually. So even if there's a tiny bit of play like that, and that's not. And just there. And then I'm just going to adjust this just a touch. And okay, that's us. Now, I just have to check the clearance of the actual roller with my windscreen washer, because I put the rack back as far as I thought it could go. So I just need to watch this now. And perfect. If you can see that, I'll show you guys quickly. So if I scoot around here, got a good half-inch clearance on the back window washer there. So yeah, that's perfect. Well pleased with that. The rack is as far back as I could take it to still clear the door, and it's as low as possible, and that's going to be super helpful. I often get sheets of ply and timber and stuff like that and load it by myself, so having that there to do it, to help with it, is going to be super helpful. So there we have it folks, base rack roller kit installed. Pretty pleased with how that's looking. It's going to be super helpful for me on loads of different projects. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.